That shit make you sound famous for real though.
Alright, so we're about to record.
Yo, what's happening? You already know it's your boy Todd Nash, man. You know what I'm saying? We do this
Duck.
shit for a living.
Please
You
cut
know
off
what
the
I'm
part that you took my toes.
Maybe you should zoom in on
I
it.
didn't take
No,
your
don't do
toes.
that. Hi everybody.
There was no
I'm
toes.
here with famous people.
Hey, she may have a good voice, but the toes is fucked up.
Alright, let's get you this video.
TiSiwo.
Alright.
By the way, y'all
Next
do not cover
location.
under my insurance, so if y'all do get bust your asses on y'all.
We're not going up there. We're not gonna climb.
Yo, man, stop playing. You're boring. What is wrong?
See this clock? They want me to go dance on top of the clock. Bro, what you thought, bro? Gonna go on top of it. So, getting food. Got a fat ass over there.
There's a fat ass. Her ass is not necessarily fat, but she's fat ass.
She just literally confirmed. Yeah, right there.
did confirm.
Big
Yeah.
fat ass. But we about to eat, and we're gonna get back to shooting. So, peace out.
All of you.
If I lose, I'm winning. And we're gonna get back to shooting. So,
That's a
peace out.
question. Eating and then shoot.
Why you drink like that?
Just a reminder to do the best.
I get it off
We're going to the other location. Alright, we're done with the third scene. Now, my nigga right there, TNL baby.
Niggas got a nigga waking up at 6 o'clock in the morning.
It was 5. It was 5 in the morning. And these beautiful ladies out here. Hello.
Check out her music, but don't check out her toes.
Oh my goodness. You know what? BB, the queen.
She's looking at her beautiful pictures.
Yes. We run into the street. We run in with the camera. Taking pictures all day. Looking like, hey. Looking like, hey. Looking like, hey. We looking like, hey. Looking like, hey.
Hold on, so we looking like, hey, what does hey actually look like?
Hey looks like me because I'm beautiful. Hey looks like me because she's beautiful. We run in the streets like we about to run the world. Looking like we just got into the presidency. Hey.
Alright, do the dance. Alright, do the dance. Alright, let's go.
All right. I'm going to do that. It was just a moment.
I thought she was going to.
Thank you guys for watching. If you haven't hit subscribe, now is a good time to hit subscribe. I have 94% of people that's watching my videos that's not subscribing to my channel, and that's not good. Our goal is to create more of these contents for you guys, to keep you guys entertained in your home, at work, wherever you are watching this video. The goal is to keep you entertained. So I need your support, I need you to subscribe, I need you to hit the like button, I need you to hit that share button. Come on.